So I got a limited batch Chobani Watermelon Greek Yogurt. I love anything watermelon flavored. Might be my favorite fruit. Either that or a kiwi. I've never seen watermelon yogurt before, so let's try it. It really doesn't have too much of a flavor. I know Greek yogurt doesn't have as much of a flavor as regular yogurt most of the time, but usually if you get like some kind of flavor in the yogurt, you'll be able to taste it, but you can't really taste it too much. It's disappointing. I was really looking forward to this. Yeah, not the best.